Hello everyone, my name is Gina and I would like to officially welcome you to Season Beauties. If this is your first time visiting with us on today, welcome. If you are returning, thank you so very much. Your girl really does appreciate it, and welcome back. Either way, if you are currently not subscribed, you know what to do. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Become a part of the Season Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you, and there is more than enough room on this family tree just for you. Now, while you're in that general vicinity, go ahead and hit that bell so that way you'll be the first to know each and every time a new video has been uploaded. Okay? Now, our video on today, we are finally, I think this is probably the absolute latest I have ever gotten my IPSY Glam Bag Plus. What's going on, y'all? Everything is rolling late. Come on, they're talking about pandemic is over. Let's work with it here. All right, and for those of you who are not familiar with IPSY, I will leave all of the information down below so that you can check it out. And that way, if you decide you would like to become a part of the IPSY family, you'll have a link right down below. Okay, so let's just go ahead and check it out and see what's inside. So when we open the box, of course, it says discover yourself, and then all of these wonderfully packaged items, which we are definitely going to get into right now. It's been so long, I have, in all honesty, forgotten exactly what I said I wanted here. So, let's check it out. Now, as you remember, IPSY does not include a description card. So we're going to shoot from the hip here, but I will get all of the manufacturer suggested retail prices, post them on the screen, okay, and give you a total in the end. So, inside we have an IPSY card that says, do you. Bold moves only. This month, amp up everything that makes you happy. Glitter liners, rainbow accents, and celebrate the beauty that comes from being you. Okay. And it gives you some things to try out, okay? Maybe you hadn't thought about using them before. Okay, this is interesting. I don't know if it was supposed to be like this, or I'm pretty sure it wasn't, but I just want to show you so you can see. Usually everything is tucked away in the bag. Look at this. This is the bag over here, okay? So, let's just start pulling out items. So the first thing I see is a palette, and it's by Viseart, the professional makeup of Paris. And this is the Petite Pro Dupe. And it's 8 grams or 0.28 ounces. This is what the outer packaging looks like. These are the shades that are inside, and so let's see what they really look like, okay? We slide the packaging right on out, which is pretty cool. Oh, I love this. I can stick this in my pocketbook and be ready to change up at a moment's notice. So we just pull it open here, and here there is a mirror enclosed, so we're just going to turn it up this way so as not to blind you. And here are the shades. That is too cute. And I must admit, very, very portable. Nice work, Viseart. Very nice work. Okay, and it has some shimmers in here as well as some mattes. So we're going to go ahead and swatch. We'll do 2 mattes. Now we'll do a matte and a shimmer, okay? So let's do a purple, and it looks like this might be like a rose gold, maybe. Okay, those 2 right there, and we're gonna go ahead and swatch it. Nice, Very nice deep purple, and it does look like a rose gold shade. All right, very nice, very, very nice. I definitely like that. I'm here for the portable. Yes. Then the next item that we pull out, it's by Gerard Cosmetics, and this is an eyeliner. 0.08 fluid ounces. All right. Cruelty free. And this is what it looks like. Let me see what the expiration date is, so I don't know if I can open this or not. I'll have to take a look at it online, okay? This one, I'm gathering the shade is just going to be black, okay? So that is item number 2. The next item that's enclosed, and this one I know I chose this item, it's the Night Repair Cosmetic Ampules, and it's an oil-based concentrate that repairs dry skin caused by environmental aggression. Okay, now this has 10 ampules inside. This is what they look like, and it says apply at night on clean skin, on face, neck, and neckline before your usual cream with a gentle massage until product is completely absorbed. So we're going to put this on immediately after cleansing before we put anything else on. Okay, so how about I open it up so you can see exactly what these ampules look like. Okay, here we go. So this is a 10-day supply. It doesn't mean you have to use it every day, but if you're having some challenges, these are the items you need to step right in. Okay. These ampules are by a company called BIMAO, is how I'm going to say it's pronounced. I'm hoping I'm saying it correctly, okay? I'm hoping. Then, believe it or not, I did not choose this item. It was chosen for me. I didn't choose it, y'all. It's the 5-piece Fashion Meets Function brush set, okay? And it says the glittery brushes look ultra cute and have all your makeup needs covered too, all right? And it says it has a blender, a shade brush, a detail, and a precision brush. I like. Those are really cute. Now, you know, as much as I love brushes, they still have to be functional for me, okay? Because I do have some that have never been opened, but it's the very first set I ever received in my Luxie box. So that's that one sitting there. But it was because at that time I was actually getting 2 boxes. So I have a set that is open and that one. Who knows? Maybe at some point that'll be in a giveaway. Who knows? We'll see. Then, let's see, the last item that I have is by RealHer. And it says, I am capable. It's getting a little warm in here, y'all, so we're gonna hurry up. And this is the Powerwear Probiotic Foundation with blue light technology, and it's a 1.2 fluid ounce size. Okay. Now y'all know that RealHer is a woman of color owned business. Y'all know I'm here to support my women-owned businesses and women of color businesses, okay? So, this is a Powerwear Probiotic Foundation, and I'm loving that it has the blue light technology. We sit in front of laptops and, computers all day long. So another one that's in a pump version. Okay, and I'm just going to put a little bit right here. I want to see if this is indeed my shade. Yes, 2 out of 2. All right, so I pumped it out. There it is right here. Okay, I'm gonna take it and I'm going to, it's actually, let's see. Yeah, how about that? It looks just a little orange. But I also don't put my makeup on with my fingers. So let's see. But you know I'm gonna make it work, right? Now I do not do it against my hand. My hand is definitely different shade from my face. So far so good, but I'll really check into it and see for sure when we do our create and first impression, okay? So, oh, let's check out our bag for this month. It looks like this, very summery. OMG, have fun. There's an IPSY lipstick right there. This is very cute, very fun bag. Very fun bag. Okay, so do I want to say it was worth the wait? Yeah, I kind of think so. I just want to say I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we checked out these wonderful products that came in this month's IPSY Glam Bag Plus. Okay, now these are those items. Okay, and down below is the manufacturer suggested retail price for everything that is enclosed. All right, now I would just like to say to you, remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.